Hello everyone, you are watching Synchronicity Tarot. So today is a very powerful day. 1111 portal is open. So today 11th of November. So it is considered as one of the very auspicious day, which is a very powerful day, and the energies will be very high. If you want to manifest anything, then you can do so. You can say the affirmations at night, and definitely energies will combine together. If you can't do it anything, then there are many affirmations in the YouTube. You can find out, like I am happy, I am successful. So like that kind of affirmations you can put it in your headphones, keep in your ears and sleep, so that they will go into your subconscious mind and it will manifest automatically. So don't take it easy. This today is very very powerful day, especially at night when you do the manifestation techniques. It will definitely work. And if you are thinking that you are in a twin flame journey, for them it is very important day. So 1111, the number is also considered as a twin flame number. So definitely, if you are feeling that you are thinking that you are in a twin flame journey, so definitely you can manifest the other person. You can write the affirmations, you can read it aloud, or you can read it in your mind also, or you can record the affirmations and keep in your headphones and sleep. Okay, so that's all I can say. That is the reason specially I'm doing the reading today, because it is a very powerful day. Okay, so today we will see the current energies of your person, because today everybody's thinking pattern will change. They will be little emotional, vulnerable, because 1111 portal will be open. So whatever the true feelings are there, it will come out today. If the anyone is in twin flame journey, so that is the reason I'm doing this reading. Let us see what are their current feelings and energies towards you today. Okay, so as usual we have three piles here. Pile number one, this red heart. Then pile two, this green heart. Then pile three, this yellow heart. Okay, so whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. Then if you need more time, you can pause the video and meditate on the pile, and you can choose accordingly. So that's all. Without wasting much time, let us start the reading. I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly supporting me and motivating me. And also welcome to the new subscribers. Please follow my channel, and do follow the community section where I am very active, and I'll be posting all the updates in that section. So please keep an eye on that. Then we will also see this fortune wheel for one question. If you have any question in your mind, you can ask one question. That will be we will see whether the answer is yes or no. Okay, that's all. Then let us start the reading. Whoever chose this red heart, this reading is for you. Let us see what are your person's current feelings and energies towards you. So let me pull one card for overall energy. What is the overall energy for my pile one people? What is the overall energy of their person? What is the overall energy of their person, spirits and angels? What is the overall energy of their person? Okay, one card flew away. So the overall energy is the devil. Let me keep this here. Let me pull cards. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their person's feelings and energies towards them now, today? What are their current feelings and energies? What are their person's current feelings and energies towards my pile one people? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current feelings and energies towards my pile one people? What are their current feelings and energies towards my pile one people? Okay, we have three cards here. Let us see. So it is Eight of Wands, Ten of Pentacles, the Fool, what are their current feelings and energies towards my pile one people? What are their person's current feelings and energies towards my pile one people? Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. Empress, Ace of Wands, Five of Wands, then it is Eight of Swords. Okay, bottom of the deck we have Seven of Pentacles. Hope you can see all the cards. Okay, so let us start the reading. I can see the signs here are Aries, then Capricorn, Taurus, Leo, Aquarius, and Scorpio. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Almost all the signs are there. Very few of you will have Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Then Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also is there. Please take it however it resonates with you. It can be yours or your person's sun sign, moon sign, rising sign, or Venus sign. Okay, so let us start the reading. So the overall energy of your person is very obsessive connection, like obsessive feelings are there towards you. So this person is kind of sometimes this person might be angry also, and this person might be obsessively thinking about you. They are feeling like they are chained towards you, they are not able to move on, and this is kind of a negative energy also, I can say. That means they want you at any cost, whether it is in a good way or bad way, but they want you in their life. Okay, that is what I can see here, because it is a devil card. So they might be having the addictions also. Maybe they are addicted towards you. This connection is very addictive connection, obsessive connection, I can say. So overall energy of your person is kind of a devil. Okay, devilish thoughts or feelings towards you. So they have this lot of passion, sexual desires, physical intimacy. They're thinking about you in that way, and they're not able to sleep at night. They might be little depressed also for some of you, for your person. They are not able to sleep at night, so they are angry also. All the negative feelings I can see from your person. I'm getting those energies, but definitely they are patiently waiting for you, that they are thinking that you will come back to them, and they are feeling that they have put their efforts into this connection, and now they are done, and they are waiting for the results to come. Okay, they are watching you from the far away. They're not talking to you, they might not contact you, but they are definitely keeping an eye on you. They are watching you grow also, and they admire you. They love the way you talk to them, or for some of you the way you dress up, for some of you the way you do the makeup and all. If you are a girl, then if you are a man, then definitely they like your behavior, then your the way you talk, the way you behave. So all this will come under this. So definitely they are keeping an eye on you. They are asking the mutual friends about you. They are having lot of gatherings, get-togethers, parties also, but still they have thought about you. So all the time you are in their mind, because as already devil is there, so this obsessive thinking, so they have every time you are in the back of their mind. So now they are, because it is very going over the water, so now they want to have a conversation with you, because Eight of Wands is there. That means very passionate communication. Okay, so that means they want to have a sextings or sex talk. Maybe you had earlier or what, for some of you. So they want to have it again. They want to talk to you personally, and they want to know what you are doing, and especially they are looking for this kind of passionate talk. Okay, I hope you understand. Then definitely their future aim is to marry you, because Ten of Pentacles is there. But there are two meanings of this Ten of Pentacles. Maybe you are looking for a person, because it is a general reading, many viewers are watching. It can go both ways. Okay, so maybe your person is already married, you are the third party, and they are obsessively thinking about you. They are attracted towards you sexually, and but still they have their own family. They have their spouse and children, and their parents. Okay, so they have all these things, like a daily routine. They have their own daily routine. They are doing all the things that they have to do for their family, but still they are thinking about you completely, continuously. and they want to take a risk in this connection because the Fool card is there. So definitely they don't know what will happen, because they are not able to control their emotions, they are not able to control their passion towards you. They want to take a step ahead towards you. These are their current feelings, I'm telling you. So definitely they want to talk to you, they want to make a move towards you. It is an action card, so they want to make a move towards you. That's what. Then they see you as a wife material, or or an empress. But for some of you, maybe you are pregnant, or maybe you are carrying their baby. Whoever is watching, so they are looking at you like an empress. Maybe you are asking about your spouse. Maybe you are separated from your wife or a husband. So maybe some of the viewers are pregnant, but for some reason they are separated from their spouse. Okay, that is also I'm getting the message. So definitely they are thinking about you, they are thinking how you are doing, what you are doing, because they know that you are very very capable, very attractive, abundant. You have money also, social status, everything you have. You are an empress, so you can command everything, and you will get it in split second. Okay, so they know your power, so they respect you, they care for you, they have all the good feelings towards you. Okay, but the thing is, Ace of Wands, they want to have a passionate new beginning. Maybe you had earlier this kind of a passionate uh, connection, so that they want it back, they want to start it again. And they have determined, the Devil, Ace of Wands, and Eight of Wands all together, even at the Fool, these all the cards are saying that they are determined to come towards you, so nobody can stop. So they don't want to go back now. So they feel that they are already entered into this connection, now they don't want to go back. That is the reason they want to have a new beginning in this connection. But at the same time, they feel that they have a lot of fights or lot of competition in this connection. Maybe your family or their family, they are not accepting your connection, or maybe your friends or brothers, or some fight is there in this connection. Okay, lot of fight, physical or verbal fight is there. So that is the reason this person is not able to move towards you all these days. But they have this intention, they have these feelings that to come towards you. They will take action also very soon. Maybe you blocked this person or they blocked you. That is the reason you both don't know what you people are thinking about each other. So they are not sure whether you will accept them or not. That is also one of the main reason that they are not coming towards you. But definitely cards are indicating that they will take an action with the Fool card, they will communicate with the Eight of Wands card. They want to have a new beginning in this connection. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 1. Then if you have any question in your mind, you can ask now. It can be related to this person, or it can be related to your money, career, whatever it is. So since it is a very good day, I want to ask spirits and angels, what is the answer for your desired question? Okay, so you can ask any question, we will see what answer you will get from the spirits. Okay, so let us start. I will move this cards. Okay, hope you can see. Okay, so let think about your question, and we will ask spirits whether the answer is yes or no. Okay, spirits and angels, please give us some guidance. Whatever question is there in my viewer's mind, is it yes or no? Please give us the answer. Okay, so the answer is yes, and it is saying absolute. Hope you can see. So absolute means it is 100%, it will be yes. Whatever question is there in your mind, the answer is yes. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 1. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this green heart, this reading is for you. Let us see what is your person's current feelings right now towards you and this connection. So let me pull one card for the overall energy of your person. What is the overall energy of your person? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is their current feelings towards my pile 2 people? What is the overall energy? Okay, it is Wheel of Fortune. So this is the overall energy of your person. Let me pull more cards. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the overall energy of their person? Whoever chose this green heart, what is the overall energy of this person? Not overall energy, current energies towards my pile 2 people. Please give us some guidance and clarity. So cards are not falling, that means this person is not talking to you for many months or years, I can feel that. So the first card is Nine of Wands, the Devil, Ten of Swords, Ace of Cups, let me pull more cards. What is their current feelings and energies towards my pile 2? What is their person's current feelings and energies? Eight of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, the Hierophant, Queen of Swords, and bottom of the deck we have Four of Pentacles. Okay, hope you can see all the cards. Okay, the signs I can see here are the fixed signs like Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius, Leo, and also I can see Taurus prominent here. Then I can see Capricorn, it is very prominent. Then I can see all the signs Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, these are all the signs I can see here. Cups is only one card. Then Pentacles are more here. Earth signs are more. Okay, yeah, that's all I can see the signs here. Please take it however it resonates. So overall energy of this person is left everything to the universe and God. They are not doing anything right now, even though they think about you, they miss you, but they are not ready to open up. They left everything for the time. Okay, they feel that okay, everything will happen at the right time, Wheel of Fortune. So they are thinking that okay, everything will happen at the right time, so they are not trying or they are not putting any efforts to come towards you. But they are waiting. They have this you are on their mind, they are not able to forget you. They have lot of fears and anxieties, lot of pain in their heart. They're waiting for you. Also I can see this person is a very introvert. They are not saying anything to you, how they are feeling, what they are feeling. Maybe they didn't confess also that they love you or something like that. This person didn't confess their love towards you. So they kept everything to themselves. They put a mask and they kept themselves very busy in their job or business. They kept themselves purposely in this money and finance things, because they want to divert their mind, and at the same time they want to earn money and they want to be financially stable also. So they are patiently waiting for your call or text, but at the same time they are very quite defensive. They are tired of waiting. They are not feeling well also at this time, but they don't want to make a move. One thing, they are scared of you, or they are scared of the circumstances or society. Something is there that they are scared of, but they are thinking about you obsessively, because the Devil card is there. They feel that you both are chained together. This is like you both are soulmates, and divine is guiding you and you want to be together. They have this kind of rebellious thoughts also, like devilish thoughts, that they want to conquer you at any cost. They want to get you in their life. One side they think like that, like devilish thoughts. They are obsessive. They are not able to sleep at night, constantly thinking about you. Maybe if they have your photos or anything, or your social media, they're constantly following, they are constantly watching you. If you are keeping any WhatsApp status or anything like that, they are constantly watching them. So they are obsessively thinking about you. Night they are not able to sleep, because Ten of Swords is there. They are in a very very painful situation, and for many of you I see that this connection is already ended. If you are asking about your spouse, maybe it is already separated, or you don't know where they are. They left you forever, so it is completely ended. This connection is ended. Maybe you are divorced, or you broke up with this person many years back, but still you want to know how the other person is feeling about you. So definitely they are into a deep pain. They feel that it is ended now, nowhere they can reconcile with you. That is what they are thinking. But surely they want to have a new beginning in this connection, because the Ace of Cups is there. They want to have a very emotional, romantic, loving connection with you. That is definitely is there. And they are also planning, they are thinking in their mind, they are not able to take any action, but they are thinking that they will contact you, they will call you, text you, or something like that. Because Eight of Wands is there, that is a communication card. They want to contact you definitely, but it will be a very very slow process, because Knight of Pentacles is there. Knight of Pentacles is an action card. So definitely they want to take action, they will take action, but it will take long time. So maybe months or years, because they are a little bit scared. At the same time, they are shy. They are very protective about their heart. They don't want anybody to hurt them. So that is the reason they are they will be away from society and the people who tries to hurt them. That kind of a person, very sensitive emotional person this person is. Maybe they might not appear like that outside, but still they are very very sensitive. Okay, but that is the reason it is a stable step. Whatever they are going to take, that is a stable step, but they will take very very slowly, and maybe or may not be. Because the Hierophant card is there. Hierophant card is also considered as a marriage card, and this person has a lot of what do you say, social status, and they have lot of public recognition, or they are very famous. Maybe they are a priest or a pope or a judge or somebody who is very high in cadre, maybe a CEO, director, manager. Okay, they are into a very high position. So that is the reason they are thinking what to do, how to do, because they don't want to be fooled by others. Okay, so like people will laugh at them if they come towards you, and if they can't succeed, then people will laugh at them, right? So they have lot of issues, lot of mental anguish. So they have the very stable thoughts that they want to marry you, and they are in a very sorry friends, so they are very honest, trustworthy, stable person. So they don't want to get a name that they are cheating you or something like that. Maybe you are saying that this person cheated me, they try to manipulate me. So maybe you are saying like that to others, but this person is not ready to take the blame. Okay, that is also he's thinking what others are thinking about me. So that is also there in their mind. And they see you as a very, maybe the people who are watching this, maybe they are a single mom, or very angry, short tempered, divorced, then single. Okay, so a single mom or a single dad, whoever is watching, so they are scared of you to come towards you, because your tongue is very sharp like a sword, and whatever you say, it will cut their heart into pieces. That is what we can see in the 10 of Swords also. So that is what they are very scared of their heart. They don't want to get hurt by you or by anybody. So that is the reason they are taking time, but definitely they will come towards you, because they want to have a new beginning with Ace of Cups, and they want to communicate with you, Eight of Wands there, and they want to proceed towards you with a stable offer with Knight of Pentacles. Very very positive reading, I must say. Okay, then these are all the current feelings of your person. Okay, now let us see. You ask any question, and we will see whether the answer is yes or no. It can be related to this person, it can be related to your love, marriage, or career, money, whatever it is. Okay, you just ask spirits and angels, and we will see whether the answer is yes or no. Please think of your question. Let me arrange. Okay, please think of your question in your mind, and let me move the wheel, and we will see. Okay, so spirits and angels, please give us the answer whether it is yes or no. Okay, so it is yes. It is just maybe, and in between maybe and yes, but it is inclined towards yes. So hope you can see. So good for you. They are saying it is good for you. Whatever you are asking, whatever question you asked, universe is saying it is good for you, and the answer is yes. Very good. Congratulations. That's all I have for you. Pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this yellow heart, this reading is for you. Let us see what are their current feelings and energies towards you, my pile 3 people. What are your person's current feelings and energies towards you? Please give us some guidance and clarity, spirits and angels. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, the Sun. Let me pull more cards. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Let me try to do the scissors. I have never tried, but I can see other YouTubers do this. Let me try. Okay, I tried. Once again, what are their current feelings and energies towards my pile 3? Okay. Not that good, but I tried. Okay, let us see what are your person's current feelings and energies towards you. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, what I can see from these energies, this person is not talking to you. They're not ready to talk to you. That is the reason cards are not coming out. Even I shuffle, even I do the scissors, so it is not coming out. Let us see. Queen of Wands, Nine of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, the Magician, the Moon, Ten of Swords, the Hierophant, and the Queen of Swords. Okay, so this energy and the cards are also similar to pile 2. If you want, you can see pile 2 also. Okay, so the signs I can see here are Sagittarius, Taurus, then I can see Aquarius, Leo, Scorpio, and Taurus. Yeah, then I can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Very few of you will have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I can see all these signs. Please take it however it resonates. So the Sun. So your person is in a very happy mood or a very enjoying mood. Maybe they're enjoying now. Maybe they're going for a maybe they are having a party time or having celebrating with somebody, or maybe going to a trip or something, or maybe whenever they think about you they are feeling like this. Maybe they are thinking that you are their sunshine, or for some of you I feel that you have a son with this person. Maybe you are asking about your spouse, that what are their current feelings. Maybe you both are not together anymore. Maybe you are divorced, because ten of swords is there. For some of you, maybe you are completely done with this person. You got separated, you got divorced, and you are away from this person. No contact, no communication. So maybe, so whenever they think about you, they feel that you are their sunshine, love of their life, and they see you the mother of their children, or as I told, maybe you have a son with this person. So definitely they feel good thoughts and good vibration when they think about you. Okay, and also they feel that maybe some of you are a single mom or a single dad, I can see. And also you are little short tempered, or very straightforward, I can say. Very powerful, very strong personality. Okay, nobody can keep you down. So whatever is there in your mind, you will speak. So that kind of person you are, that is what they see in you. And they are also very very passionate towards you. They see that you are very attractive, beautiful, handsome if you are a man. So they are quite attractive towards you. But for some reasons this is ended, this connection is ended. I can see two marriage cards. That means you are already married to this person, or this person is already married. Okay, so you have shared this legacy together, left the legacy behind. That means you have a child, and um, you are sharing their assets together. Maybe this is, sorry to say, but I am getting these vibes of wife and husband and divorce and settlement, because 10 of pentacles is there here. Okay, for some, for others of you, maybe this person is already married. That is the reason they are not coming able to come towards you. uh, I'm getting so many other different messages here. Okay, but this person definitely feels that you are their wish fulfillment. They are also very independent, freedom lover. They don't have anybody in their life right now, I can see. Maybe they are married, they were married, but right now they don't have anybody in their life. So they are single, they are enjoying their life. They are very quite single and eligible bachelor or spinster. So definitely they have their own family, like mother, father, or they have children also from the ex-partner or from you. So they are having their own daily routine in their life. They are continuing. They have moved on. Actually, I can say that they have moved on from you, but still they have these kind of very positive thoughts about you. And this person is, when you both were in connection, they were quite manipulative. So they are not letting you know what they think exactly, because we can see seven of swords. Seven of swords is a kind of a cheating card, or a player, or a flirt. So this person is that kind of a person that they showed you. Okay, then they are also trying to move on, but they are not able to move on. Still they are looking back. That means they are looking at the past, whatever they had the connection with you. They are looking at the past, because what I feel that you had a very specific time frame in your connection that they are not able to forget. Okay, maybe they have lot of good memories with you. They have lot of public recognition with you. Everybody knows your connection. So all these things they are not able to forget. So they are trying to mask, they are trying to run away with their from their emotions. Okay, seven of swords also says that they want to run away from this connection, and they're not able to find anybody like you. They're trying, I mean, maybe they are flirting with others, or they are trying to play with others, but they are not able to find anybody like you. So now what they are doing, they are trying to manifest you back into their life. They don't want to come towards you, but they are doing the maybe prayers or affirmations or manifesting you back, because they know that you are their soulmate and you have a very special place in their heart and in their life. So that is what they are not able to forget about you. But they have this issue of mother issue, like their mother or your mother is not supporting this connection. They are not letting you stay together. For example, one client of mine, they said like his mother said to him, it seems, if you marry that girl, then I will die, I will hang myself and I will die. So this kind of a blackmailing mothers also are there in this society. So because the moon card says the mother issues. Okay, they have lot of secrets, they are not able to tell you. Maybe they are into a struggling situation, they are not able to come out of that. Their mother is saying, no, you can't meet this person, you can't talk to this person. If you talk to the other person, I will die. Some kind of something is there because of the moon card. Okay, and some, for some of you, this person might be living far away from you, maybe different state, city, country, or emotionally they are separated from you. Maybe they are very far away from you emotionally. Even though they are in the same city also, maybe they are emotionally, they are far away from you. And definitely I can see this connection is ended. That is what they are feeling. They are feeling that this connection is ended with the ten of swords. Nothing can be done, nobody can make you together. That's what this person is feeling. And they also have faced a lot of pain in this connection. I don't know what exactly happened between you. They faced a lot of pain and anxiety, depression, tears. I can see all these negative emotions in this connection. So now they are thinking that it is done. There is no chance that you both can be together. So again, the Hierophant is another marriage card. Even though they have the intention to marry you, or intention to be together with you, because they are socially, they are very good. They have good social status. Everybody knows them. So that is also one of the reason they are not able to come towards you, because maybe they are, other people are saying that no, no, this is not the right connection for you, don't go back to her or him. So maybe they are worried about the society also, because they are in a respectable position. Everybody comes to them for the advice. They are in a priest or a pope or a judge or a CEO, manager, whatever it is. Very, very powerful position, I can say. Okay, so that is the reason they are not able to make a step. They are confused actually. They are not confused, I can say. They are stuck, I can say. They are not able to come towards you. because of all these factors. So right now they are thinking very good, they're remembering only the good memories of you. They're not thinking about any bad or anything else. They're thinking about only good memories with you. They're only living in that moments. They are reminiscing the past. That's all I can say. But there is no action card. They won't they are not planning to come towards you anytime near. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 3. Let us see yes or no question. If you have any question in your mind, please ask the spirits and angels whether the answer for your question is yes or no. So please think of your question by the time I arrange everything. Okay, so please think of your question in your mind, then we will ask spirits and angels whether the answer is yes or no. Okay, be ready. Spirits and angels. Okay, so the answer is no for you, and it is also saying wait. So it is not complete no, it is saying that it is wait. You have to wait for this whatever question you are asking. You as of now at this moment it is no, but you have to wait for this to happen. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.